Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted Instagram account. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Instagram and I'm going to delete my account. I'm going to go to my profile and then go to the setting and activity, and I'm going to open the account center, and after that I'm going to go to the personal details and then go to the account ownership and control, and I'm going to delete my Instagram account. Okay, and now my Instagram account has been deleted and I'm going to try to recover it. I'm going to add Instagram account right here, and I'm going to click on login to existing account, and then enter your username and password. This is my username and my password as well. Okay, and click on keep account, and after that the account will be recovered. Okay, and now my Instagram account is back, and just remember guys that you can only recover your deleted account maximum a month since you deleted your Instagram account. Alright guys, and that's all the way to recover deleted Instagram account. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.